Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Now let's talk about the dollar yen. Yeah, the question in our heads is if wave 5 is complete for the dollar yen, and then from here we will see even more downside. Is this wave 5, right? This bull run from December until January, is this wave 5? We think it's still unclear at this point of time, and we are likely to see some choppy wave action at these levels with a bias towards the downside. If you want to trade the dollar yen, go in for quick scalping trades with a bias towards shopping the top of the range. So where do we see the top of the range, right? So it is still not formed at this point of time, but we could be seeing something similar to this, right? So if this is the range that was formed, right, you want to go in at the short at the top of the ranges. You go in, look at the RSI on the 1 hour. See where do we draw it? Not sure if it's this. No, I do not think it's that. Alright, let's zoom out further. Okay. No, it's fine. Let's use the 4 hour as a reference. So you can see here, if you just zoom in on the 1 hour, you should be seeing all this as testing the top of the range, right? So for what we have over here right now, the range isn't very clearly formed. So we should be seeing some kind of range form in the coming days. So I think if you manage to enter on market open at around these price levels, it's good for a short. Otherwise, just wait a while and see a clear range form before you start to trade this range. Now for the bull case, if you want to go for long here, it's kind of like catching a falling knife. So be cautious for longs until a clear range is formed.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.